The Minnesota legislature on Thursday of last week voted overwhelmingly in support of a bill that would redesign the General Assistance Medical Care Program, receiving 125 votes in the House, in the Minnesota House, including 38 Republicans. The legislation was the product of months of deliberations between senators and House members, Democrats and Republicans, trying to solve this very concrete problem of 70,000 people here in Minnesota that are going to be losing their health coverage as of April 1st of this year. The reason we're here today is Governor Pawlenty, only hours after that legislation was passed with overwhelming bipartisan support, made the decision to veto that legislation from a fundraising trip he was doing in Washington, D.C.
I lost my job in 2005. I had also been married for 15 years. I have 2 young boys. My husband and I separated in 2006. I divorced in 2007. I worked for a short time at Centerville Elementary as a paraprofessional. By October 2007, we lost our beautiful home in Anoka County. That same year, I began dulling my emotional pain by drinking. After 18 months, I received care, and I'm happy to say that today I am 17 months sober. I began receiving general assistant medical care about a year ago. With access to immediate health care, I was able to honestly address some mental health issues. Concerns like depression and anxiety that had gone untreated my whole life. I will not use GAMC forever. I'm starting Twin Cities Rise next month, and I plan to return to business accounting. Like a lot of people, I have needed GAMC as a bridge until I'm able to get back on my feet. My boys have been with their father for 18 months. I see them all the time. They're doing well, a lot of love there. My goal is to be financially independent like I was, to own my own home, and to have my boys' bikes in my garage. I voted for Tim Pawlenty in 2006. I had no idea back then that he would take health care away from Minnesotans right when we need it the most.
And we are standing here in front of the governor's house. Where is he?
Yeah.
He's not here. The governor has decided he can literally phone it in.
Right.
For the rest of his term as governor. And what's worse, what he's phoning in is pushing tens of thousands of people, including my aunt, off of basic medical care. I know that standing here today we have people from many different faith traditions, but one thing that we all hold in common is that we look around this world and we understand that the first thing we can say about God is that we in Minnesota and we in this country are deeply blessed.
Yes.
Even in the face of a recession, the wealth that we have in this state and in this country stands alone by world standards.
Amen.
Even in the face of a recession, we are deeply blessed. Cutting off general medical assistance, cutting off aid to those who need it the most, makes a mockery of the blessings that we've inherited and that we enjoy.
That's right.
Cutting off general medical assistance spits in the face of the one we worship, the one we say we will follow. Spits in the face of the one who says, I look out for the least of these.
Right.
Spits in the face. How can we stand with any integrity and move forward as a state, balancing our budget on the backs of the ones who have been left behind the furthest? It's wrong.
That's right.
It's wrong.
You're right.
Let today be a new day.